Laravel 13 just got released. In this video, we will install it, upgrade a Laravel 12 app, and go through the release notes in detail, so you actually understand what changed and what matters. This is a Laravel 12 project. Let's upgrade it to Laravel 13. To upgrade, we update the framework version to 13. Laravel 13 now requires PHP 8.3, so we need to update this as well. It also required Tinker 3.x. PHP unit 12.x is also there. We will update this as well. Before running the upgrade, I like to do a dry run. This shows what packages will be updated without installing them. Useful if you are working on production app. Since Laravel 13 has minimal breaking changes, this is usually a smooth process. And we are on Laravel 13 version. If you are starting fresh, you can install Laravel 13 like this. Just make sure PHP version is 8.3 or higher. Let's run the application. Let's verify this in browser. So Laravel 13 is running. Let's open the release notes. This is the most important part of release. Laravel is focusing on minimizing breaking changes and continuously improving developer experience. What this means is Laravel is now mature. Instead of disruptive changes, they are focusing on stability. Laravel 13 now requires PHP 8.3. This might be a real breaking change for some apps. If you are still running older PHP version, you will need to upgrade first. Laravel 13 introduced the first party Laravel AI SDK. It is already available from some time in Laravel 12. With this AI SDK, you can build AI features. Laravel also includes the first party JSON API resources. You can create the JSON API resources and return directly. Laravel introduced a new middleware called Prevent Request Forgery. It have added origin-aware request verification. Also, it preserved the compatibility with the CSRF protection. It includes the queue routing. When you declare the queue, you can specify the connection and queue here. One of the bigger addition is first-class support of PHP attributes. Earlier, you defined things like table name, fillable fields, or hidden attributes using class properties. Now you can use attributes directly above the class or properties. See this example. It have added the middleware on the controller directly, and you can also add it to the method. Laravel also includes the case TTL extension, where the existing case you can extend the TTL. Semantic vector search. This is available to only Postgres plus pgvector. Laravel 13 will receive bug fixes and security updates over the next couple of years. This is important for production apps. You get long-term stability. Laravel 13 is not feature-heavy release. It's a stability and ecosystem-focused release. And honestly, that's a good thing for real-world applications. If you are already on Laravel 12, upgrading is quick and straightforward. And if you are starting new, Laravel 13 is a solid base. You can also use Laravel Shift or Boost to upgrade the Laravel application.